In today's tutorial, we are going to dive into our powerful Excel functions, EDATE. EDATE is an incredibly useful function for date calculations in Excel, and by the end of this tutorial, you will be able to use it with confidence. So whether you are managing project, analyzing financial data, or simplify keeping track of dates, EDATE can be a game changer. Okay, now let's move into with the example, and I'm gonna use the EDATE function with this data. Here we used the date, month, and I will write here the EDATE functions. Now if I use here the EDATE, then it then returns the serial number of the date that indicates number of month before or after the start date. Okay, now first one, it the start date, so I use this one for start date. Then it the month, so select this one. Then here we can find, and here we get the month, so it was 14. Now we got it the 11 August, and now we got it the 11. Okay, so by this way you can easily calculate or add the month with your date. Now if I want to apply the rest of this one, you can easily drag it down and it can be give you the EDATE functions. Okay, and here we and we found here that it was the June's, but it takes into the March because we use here the -3, and for this is give you the negative month in there, and we got the result the March 30 and 2023. Okay, so that is for today's tutorial and how to use the EDATE function in your Excel worksheet. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorials.